How in company system you can play in Netflix, Amazon Prime or play games. Welcome back to RS Car Premium. So a lot of customers have asked me like I have a top end vehicle or I have a mid variant vehicle. So I get a system from company. Can I play Android through it? So there are two ways you can do it. One is you can change your system. Other is we have a product from RS Car Premium, Sharebox. So when you change to Android system, if you have a top end vehicle, you might have to lose few features. So it is not a feasible for a customer. As part of RS Car Premium, we have come up with a share box, which will make your original system to convert to a Android system by just adding our share box. Prerequisite to add share boxes, your original system should have a wired CarPlay or a wired Android Auto. Let me unbox and tell you what all accessories available in Sharebox. The first thing is you get a manual. The first accessory what we get inside the box is our Sharebox. It is loaded with RS Car Premium logo over here. And if you see here, right, one is for the USB connection, one is for the mic, one is for the SIM card option, and one is for the memory card option. So then if you see here, right, you get a mic because it has a SIM slot option. So you get a mic for the call purpose. Then you get an USB pin to connect to the device. If the vehicle has a C-type pin option as well, so we give this. And to remove SIM, you get pin option as well to remove or add a SIM card option as well. As in RS Car Premium, Sharebox comes in 3 model, 2GB, 4GB and 8GB. 2GB will be a quad-core processor where you need to connect your hotspot and you can use all your application from the Play Store. The second model will be a 4GB model which comes with an octa-core processor with a SIM slot option, and 8GB also comes with an octa-core processor with a SIM slot option, and you get with a Snapdragon processor. The best part of it is it's a plug and play, and if you have multiple cars, you can use it in different cars as well. Now you guys might be confused like why we need a SIM card option. So Sharebox can be acted as an independent device. No need of connecting to your hotspot and using it is like a phone. You can use it as an independent device, and other benefit is when you connect to a wired CarPlay to a wireless CarPlay, so you can access only one internet at a time. So if you put a SIM card, you can use wireless CarPlay also, and you can use a Netflix or Amazon Prime without disturbing your device. If you guys wanted to buy this product, please visit RS Car Premium.